What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be taking my truck up to Grandma's. I'm currently in my mom's car. Had to jump the truck this morning. It was a little bit cold. Gonna take it up there, replace the headlights, and we have a broken door handle on the driver's side that we're gonna replace. It's like 10 degrees out. It's cold, so we're gonna let the truck warm up for a little bit, and then we'll get heading. Got new headlights right there, new door handle that we're gonna put in. We're gonna change the locks over. So we got those. Go feed the chickens real quick, and we'll be ready to go. I've been chilling right under the porch, so there y'all go. We got it pulled in here in the garage. I got it starting to melt off now. Here's the headlights we're going to be replacing. They're just old and dingy, so got new ones. We're using the same bulb for now, but we're replacing the whole light here and the main headlight, and then we're replacing this door handle. And yeah, so got it in here, starting to melt off. Just started up a little fire, so she is gonna get nice and toasty in here. And yeah, I'm probably gonna go inside for a little bit, let it warm up in here, let the snow start melting, and we will be back. Got all of our tools laid out, and we are gonna go ahead and start on the door handle first. And I'm gonna put you on my head, and let's get it changed. Should be pretty simple. I don't know, we'll see. All right, guys, to start, we are going to pop this off. Should just pop off like that. We're gonna go ahead and take a screwdriver and pop this out. Then we got cords and plugs, so we're gonna go ahead and pop all of these out. They should just have a tab somewhere on them. This one's on the back, so yeah, they just got tabs. Press with your thumb and pull them out. So there's those. Then right down here I got this. You can just gently push it in and pop it. So you got a bolt right there, if y'all can see it, and we got one right there. So we're gonna come in and bust those loose. Now that we got both of those bolts out, we should be able to just grab it, lift, and pull back. There might be a cable attached, so you gotta be careful. There's not. Some trucks have lights in that little running light, so just gently untuck that, and this just sits up in here. Now we are here, so we're going to gently peel this back, and right here is our where we access it. So there's one bolt way in the back there, and then there's another one right back behind this thing. Grab a 10mm. Gonna take this one off here and go and slide that back. Okay. Very carefully take that out. So now all of that's done. Gonna push our door back here. Gonna pop this out, and right down here there's a little clip. We're gonna grab our screwdriver back. Just gonna open this, open that green clip. This thing is just fed out then. And there you go. That's your old door handle done. All right, guys, we made it work. It was took a moment to figure out, but we made it work. So Now, we got this. We can go over and show y'all how to install it now. So, I'm gonna take this, we're gonna slide it in. We're trying to line our holes up. This line and that one. That goes in like that, beautifully. This rod is gonna be pushed right back in the same spot as it was with this clip. So it goes right back in here. That clip gets pushed closed. Okay, there we go. Then we're gonna install our screws. This thing is gonna pop right back in here. The best I can. All right, I think that's in. So now that should work. Just gonna put this in. Just everything we already did back in reverse this time. And then we're gonna pop our little rubber grommet back in. Okay, so that one gets tightened. Okay, that one gets tightened. You don't want to go too tight, otherwise you can crack or break pieces. This just gets pushed and popped in like that. These all fit the way that they do. Them are all in. This kind of slides up under here and then just pops in. And this will just slide up top here and pop in. So that should be good. All right, guys, I didn't film much of doing the headlights, but we have them done. If you look here, compared to the old ones, giant difference. So should be good to drive, and get her started up and see. All right, take care.